In today's video, I'll show you how to disable zoom on Windows 10 so your screen stops zooming in or out unexpectedly. If you've ever had your display suddenly magnify and had no idea why, this quick guide will help you fix that problem. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. This opens the Start menu where you can access all the main settings on your computer. Next, look for the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on it to open the Windows Settings window. This is where you can change how your system behaves. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Ease of Access. This section controls features that help adjust how Windows looks and works, including zoom and magnification options. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Magnifier. The magnifier tool is what causes the screen to zoom in and out, sometimes by accident if certain keys are pressed. At the top of the magnifier settings, you'll see a switch labeled Turn on Magnifier. If this switch is on, your screen can zoom unexpectedly. Click the switch to turn it off. Once you turn it off, the zoom feature is disabled across your system. This should stop any accidental zooming and give you a more stable, normal view of your screen. If you ever need the zoom feature again, you can follow the same steps and turn the magnifier back on at any time. That's all it takes to disable zoom on Windows 10 and keep your screen looking the way it should. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.